Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound and vibration in the KuCoin application. Managing notification in KuCoin can make your trading experience calmer and less distracting. If you prefer a quiet environment or you're just using your device in public, you can easily turn off all sounds and vibration alerts inside the app. First of all, launch open the KuCoin app on your device and make sure you're logged in. From the main homepage of KuCoin, go to the top left corner and tap on your name initial. After you're inside this page, scroll down and tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Sounds and Vibration. Now you will be able to turn off the sounds and vibration by tapping on the Turn Off All button at the top right, and this will turn off all the alerts and vibrations from the app. If you want to keep some of the alerts, then you can go ahead and turn off the button right next to them or leave it as it is. So that is how you can easily turn off sounds and vibration setting in the KuCoin application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.